Morning, Todd from Walnut Ridge on this Friday. Here we are again. It's been a week already. Uh, we've had some drop-off appointments in the last week, and I just wanted to touch base on preventative maintenance and maintenance that you need to do owning an RV, whether it be a motorhome, travel trailer, fifth wheel, even a pop-up, even a fold-down. So you have a 1-year manufacturer warranty, tongue to bumper, but they will not cover lack of maintenance items like any kind of seal work on your roof. So you need to get up there, check your roofs at least 3 to 4 times a year. Check your sealants around your compartment doors, your floor line molding, which is this. So this is your floor line molding all the way around your camper. That is just 100% clear silicone around your windows, your compartment doors, even around your slide out fascias. Uh, you just need to check it, be aware, and reseal if you see any gaps, because warranty, the manufacturer being who holds the warranty, not Walnut Ridge or any dealership. That is all processed through the manufacturer of the RV. So they will not cover, say you had a water leak coming in from the roof. We could submit it and try to get it covered. They will not cover anything lack of maintenance. So it's just you just really need to check your RV. Unfortunately, it's about like owning a second house. You just need you need to check your roof. You need to do a visual. Anything that needs done, just like your house, you get out there, either have somebody do it like us, or you call somebody. You do it yourself, but you definitely need to address it uh, quicker than later, just to make sure you're not going to have any issues. So like I said, we just get we've gotten a few calls and had a couple of drop off appointments where this had happened, and we had to explain the warranty process, that they will not cover maintenance items, just like wheel bearing repacks, things of that nature, cleaning out your burner tube assemblies on your water heater, your furnace, your refrigerator. If you don't have a 12-volt refrigerator, if you've got the traditional old school gas and electric RV refrigerator, you do need to go clean that burner tube assembly out just to keep it operating properly. So hope this helps. Thanks.